Welcome to this lecture, First Impressions That Stick. In the first few seconds of meeting someone, they're already forming an opinion about your confidence, your warmth, and your overall presence. Nonverbal signals often speak louder than words in those early moments. Your energy and demeanor set the tone for how others feel about you. A strong first impression makes it easier to connect and influence going forward. In this lecture, we'll break down simple, actionable habits to help you leave a lasting positive impression every time. Why first impressions matter. So why do first impressions matter so much? People decide whether they trust and like you almost instantly. Once those judgments are made, they're surprisingly hard to change. So starting strong is essential. Your first impression can influence whether you get an opportunity, whether someone opens up to you, or whether they want to continue the conversation. It sets the tone for everything that follows. When you show charisma early on, it creates momentum that carries through the entire interaction. Key nonverbal signals. Let's talk about nonverbal cues. These often speak before you say a word. A genuine smile immediately signals warmth and approachability. Your posture matters. Stand or sit upright with shoulders relaxed and open, not slouched and closed off. Steady, friendly eye contact shows confidence and focus. Keep your gestures calm and inviting. Open hands, relaxed movements. Match your energy level to the situation. You wouldn't use the same energy in a job interview as you would in a casual party. And avoid fidgeting or rushing. It can make you seem nervous or distracted. Key verbal behaviors. Next, let's look at verbal behavior that strengthens first impressions. Use someone's name early in the conversation. It instantly makes the interaction personal. Offer a warm greeting or a sincere compliment. It creates connection right away. Speak clearly and with a steady tone. Rushing or mumbling can undermine confidence. Ask a simple, genuine question, show interest in them. Then listen fully before you respond. People notice when they're truly heard. Shift the focus from yourself to curiosity about them. That's where rapport begins. Common first impression mistakes. Now, here are some common mistakes to avoid. Don't rush or appear distracted. Being fully present is key. Avoid dominating the conversation by talking too much about yourself. Be careful with your greeting. Neither weak nor overly aggressive leaves a positive mark. Closed-off body language like crossed arms can send the wrong signal. Forgetting or mispronouncing someone's name can make them feel unseen. And watch for cues. If someone seems tired or reserved, match your energy appropriately rather than overwhelming them. Practice making impressions stick. Let's put this into practice. Next time you meet someone new, greet them with genuine warmth, a smile, steady eye contact, and a confident hello. Focus on your posture, tone, and pace. These small details speak volumes. Use one open-ended question to start a meaningful connection. Reflect back when something they say show you're listening. Like, that's really interesting. I didn't know that. Notice how they respond when you apply these techniques. You'll often see them relax and engage more. Remember, making a great first impression is a skill, one that improves every time you practice it.